In 2020, four sectors quietly started a bull run that made ordinary people extraordinary money. I am about to tell you the next four. Watch it till the end. देखो, सबसे पहले आता है डिफेंस का सेक्टर, ग्रोइंग फ्रॉम 15 to 22% एवरी सिंगल ईयर, नॉट बिकॉज ऑफ हाइप, बिकॉज इंडियन गवर्नमेंट सिर्फ चेक लिखते ही जा रही है दोस्तों. हिंदुस्तान एरोनॉटिक्स लिमिटेड, भारत इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स लिमिटेड, दीज आर द कंपनीज, दे हैव ऑर्डर बुक्स सो फुल दे कांट एग्जीक्यूट फास्ट इनफ. और दूसरा, रिन्यूएबल एनर्जी. ये सेक्टर 25% CAGR से ग्रो कर रहा है एनुअली. इंडिया वांट्स 500 गीगावैट्स ऑफ क्लीन पावर बाय 2030. द टारगेट डजंट चेंज रिगार्डलेस ऑफ हु इज इन पावर. And let it be Tata Power or NTPC. They are not riding a trend, they are riding a national mandate. The third, that's the IT sector. And before you say it's slow, listen carefully. Indian IT sector is no longer doing cheap work for the world. It's now running AI projects, cloud transformations, entire global operations. The work got 10 times more valuable. Infosys rahe ya TCS, these are not boring companies and boring stocks anymore. Wipro bhi ek achhi company hai वैसे. The fourth sector, that's the pharma. Let it be Sun Pharma or Dr. Reddy's. Here's the one thing I love about this particular sector. It grows when the economy is good or when the economy is bad. And healthcare sector doesn't take a recession at all. 12 to 18% CAGR का growth rate है. It just quietly keeps compounding. और एक सेक्टर है बैंकिंग सेक्टर. RBI has already started cutting the rates, and when the rates drop, people borrow for homes, businesses, everything. HDFC Bank, ICICI, SBI, Axis, सारे books clean हैं and strong tech ready to lend. When the credit cycle turns, private banks move first and they move very fast. Now here's what people actually destroy: their own portfolio. They chase what already ran. Metals already moved. Certain PSU stocks already doubled. Some defense stocks are now priced for absolute perfection. One bad quarter and they fall 20%. The 3-year game is about what is just beginning to move. Now, what already made someone else rich. But here's the truth nobody tells you. Knowing the right sector is only 20% of the job. The other 80%, when you do buy, how much do you put in and when do you get out? That's exactly where most retail investors bleed money slowly without even realizing it. Not wrong stocks, wrong timing, and zero planning. At Value Focused, we teach you all of this: sector analysis, stock selection, when to enter, when to exit, how to size your position, from complete basics to advanced level, under one roof with one mentor. If you have been waiting for a sign to learn things properly, this is the video. Save it and do subscribe and follow our channel. See you.